Did you know that watermelon helps the body produce nitric oxide, which supports healthy circulation? Today I'm making a powerful smoothie that combines watermelon, pineapple, orange, and fresh ginger to naturally boost energy and vitality. Let's cut our fruits into small pieces for blending. I'm cutting these oranges with the skin on. We need all that nutrients. Let's peel our watermelon. We want to peel this. Just take the skin off lightly. We want to save the rind of this melon also, since it in itself also consists of some very vital nutrients. The skin off of this pineapple. And of course, our ginger, cut into small pieces. Now let's blend our fruits. And that is your beautiful smoothie. Enjoy. Add this juice to your diet at home and leave me a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more delicious recipe from Chef Shrimpy. We bring the sexy back.